Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 14 February 2026. Shares of IT giants Infosys and Wipro tumbled as much as 6% on Friday, extending recent losses. This decline follows a sharp overnight drop in their ADRs after Anthropic unveiled a new AI product capable of automating professional tasks, reigniting fears of margin pressure and weakened competitive positioning. Hindalco Industries will invest an additional $200 to $250 million in its subsidiary Novelis. This follows two fires at Novelis Oswego unit. The company has already invested $750 million. This new funding will support Novelis' working capital and operational needs over the next 6 to 8 months. Hindalco's India operations performed strongly, offsetting losses at Novelis. HDFC Bank and two global financial firms are exploring buying a stake in Credit Access Grameen. Axis Bank is also in talks. Credit Access India BV, the owner, is looking to sell its majority stake. This move aims to provide an exit for patient investors. The microfinance market is showing signs of recovery. Credit Access Grameen is financially strong and poised for growth. Public sector banks have significantly increased their share in credit card spending, reaching 22.2% in December 2025. This growth is attributed to higher usage by existing cardholders, robust festive demand, and expanded reach into salaried segments, particularly driven by large PSBs like SBI cards. The integration of RuPay credit cards with UPI has also fueled this expansion. SoftBank Group Corp on Thursday reported a net profit of 248.6 billion yen or $1.62 billion for the July to September quarter, buoyed by gains from its investments in OpenAI. SoftBank Vision Fund 2's India portfolio includes food tech major Swiggy, e-commerce company Meesho, EV maker Ola Electric, and the newly listed Lenskart. In recent months, SoftBank has shifted its focus to AI companies heavily invested in ChatGPT maker OpenAI. The conglomerate also has a joint venture with OpenAI, Oracle, and others to build massive AI infrastructure in the US. The Reserve Bank of India or RBI has notified the draft amendment directions to the non-banking financial companies registration, exemptions and framework for scale-based regulation directions 2026 and invited public comments on the proposed changes. Under the draft amendment, certain categories of NBFCs are proposed to be exempt from the provisions of Section 45IA of the RBI Act 1934, which governs the requirement of registration with RBI and minimum net owned fund criteria. The exemption is proposed for NBFCs that meet all of the following conditions. Number 1, do not avail public funds. Number 2, have no customer interface. And number 3, have an asset size of less than Rs 1000 crore. If implemented, the amendment will provide regulatory relief to smaller NBFCs that operate without public funds and customer interface while continuing to subject larger and systematically relevant NBFCs to the full registration and regulatory framework under Section 45IA. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.